What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you are inside or outside of Albania. There's a lot of cybercrime in Albania, and protecting your online security should be a top priority, especially when you are on a public Wi Fi. Obviously, the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course, if you are outside of Albania and you are trying to unblock a specific website or streaming services that are exclusive to Albania, you can use the Albanian server within this VPN. I've tested a dozens of VPN and this one always come at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark, and this VPN have got more than 3,200 servers within 99 countries, and you'll be virtually be able to secure unlimited devices within just a single subscription using Surfshark. And it's just one of the best VPNs out there. Super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features, and you don't have to pay all that much for it. You get 30 days money back guarantee. So if you're still not satisfied, you can get your money back. And of course, you will be able to find the links of and pricing and discounts in the description down below.